This is everything about angles that you need to know. Is that okay? If you listen to me attentively, I think any angles question that comes your way, you will be able to solve. Am I making sense or not making sense? Okay, so let's start with the first one. Let's read together one by one. 1, 2, 3, let's go. The figure below is not drawn to scale. What did they say? They say that AB, where's AB? Can you see A to B? Can see A to B, yes or no? All right, A to B, A, B is with this entire thing, correct or not? And C, D are, what do we call that? Straight lines. Okay, straight lines. Very good. So when you see straight lines, you think of vertically opposite angle, right? Is that correct? Okay, very good. That's very good. Awesome. Now, so what I want to do really simple, okay? Let's read the next part. XO, they say XO is equals to what? XO is perpendicular to CD. What does it mean when it is perpendicular? Forms the right angle, 90 degree. Wow, you guys are saying the right things at the right time. Very nice. So, which one will form a 90 degree? You see for yourself. XO, where's XO? XO is this, Agree or disagree? Where's CD? CD is here, right? True or not? True, yes or no? So that means to say, when that happens, it will form a 90 degree over here. Are you all listening or no?
Yeah, that means that the other side must also be 90 degrees.
Why? Because this is a straight line. Very good. No. The other
No,
side, as in, she's saying that this side also 90. Why? Because this is a
straight line.
Am I making sense or not making sense? Okay, so we have 90 here, 90 here. Then that means to say I can actually find something else, right? Wait, you see, they also say that YO is perpendicular to AB. Where is YO? YO is over here. Y to O, right? Where's A to B? A to B is over here. You understand or don't understand? All right, so that means there is another right angle over here. YO over here, can see? AB is over here, right? Can see? This is also another right angle. Am I making sense? Okay, it looks a little complicated, okay, but don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah, you can use highlighter. You must, in fact, use highlighter when it comes to, or you can use marker to highlight the lines. Am I making sense or not making sense? Need to find something called angle M. Can you all see angle M?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to find something called angle M. First thing first, I'm going to use the straight lines to help me to solve it, okay? Because they are straight lines, that means they are what we call vertically opposite angle. Am I making sense? Okay, so there's one thing for sure I know. Okay, I'm just going to erase all of this for you to see. Can you guys see that BOD or DOB, can you all see this part? This part is definitely vertically opposite to AOC because of this sentence number 1. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So your job, very simple, is to say angle AOC is equals to angle BOD, very good, is equals to 150 degrees. What is this? What is this called? Vertically opposite angle. That is your first step. Am I making sense? The reasoning is extremely important. Am I making sense or not making sense?
Yeah.
So teacher Joseph will use green color to kind of show it to you all. Okay, which is the angle that we are talking about? Which is the angle that we are talking about? We are talking about everything from AOC. Can you see AOC and BOD? Which is this entire thing. Am I making sense or not making sense? All right, over here, this part is how much? 100 and? Very good. 150 degrees. You're okay? Do you all remember the right angle that we talked about just now? Which is the right angle? There are 2 right angles that we talked about, right? First one is?
AOY.
No. XO to CD, right? So it's this part over here. Can you all see this one? Can see this one or cannot see? Okay, then what is the other one that I have? YO is perpendicular to AB, right? Where's YO? YO, where's YO? Y to O, correct or not? Y to O is perpendicular to AB, right? That means to say?
That means to say that distance also.
There is an overlapping over here. True? Am I making sense? Okay. AOD. AOD is not a right angle. XOD. Tell me about that.
180. The other one.
Yeah, the other side. Correct. Very good. Now, so how do you find angle M?
You know that YOB is 90 degrees. So also.
You know this is 90 degrees, right?
DOB is 150 degrees. So you take that. You take 180 minus 150. That gives
you get to this
COB.
COB. Very good. Let's find angle COB first, okay? Now, if you're wondering what is this student saying, all right, we are trying to find this part over here. Can see? Can you all see that this A, I want you all to fix your eyes on A and B. A and B is a straight line, yes or no? If A and B is a straight line, can you all see this is a straight line? Right now, and if I know that this entire thing is 150, right? Isn't it true that I can find this part?
Yeah.
Which is angle AOB, right? Which is 180 minus away 150. Agree or disagree? Do you agree or disagree?
Yeah.
Angle COB, our angle COB, okay, is actually equals to 180 degrees minus away 150 degrees, which is equals to how much? 30 degrees. What is the reasoning? Angles on the straight line. Follow my color, okay? I won't change the color. All right, I will pair the color to the angle, can? I'll pair the color to the angle. Is that okay? All right, this is 30. Make sense or don't make sense? Now, look at purple. Look at my purple. Look at my purple. Look at this. If this is green, can you all see that or not?
Yeah,
can you see purple?
Yeah, that one
Then
was
you have
90 minus 30.
yeah. Let's see. We go brown, okay? Is that okay? All right, this is called, you must give it a name, angle YOC. Am I making sense or not making sense? Equals to 90 degrees minus away, how much? Can you tell me? 30 degrees, which is equals to how much? 60 degrees. Am I making sense or not making sense? All right, so this is 60 degrees. Am I making sense or not making sense? Wow. We are getting there. We are getting there.
And it's
We are
almost
getting there.
8:57.
What is the last one? What is the last one? You see, oh my goodness. You see? Can you see this M over here?
Yeah.
So this M is over here, right? 90 minus away the brown 60. Am I making sense or not making sense? Very good. And then maybe I use another color. I say pink color is what I want to find, which is my pink color, which is my M. Am I making sense or not making sense? Do you understand or don't understand? Right. So angle XOY is equals to 90 degrees minus away 60 degrees. And that gets me to 30 degrees. Are you understanding or not understanding? And that is the reason why your answer for this question, 30 degrees. Now, in the next question, it says that in the figure below, A, B, and C, D are vertically opposite. Very important, right? Very important, right? True or not? True or not? Okay. And then what else did they say? P is half of Q. Where is P? P is here, right? Where is Q? Q is here, right?
Yeah.
But do you all know that they are seated on AB? That means to say very good. So that means to say when I add, they are not both, they are not both the same. But when we add them up together, angle P plus angle Q, that gets me to an answer of how much? 180 degrees. Am I making sense or not making sense? Do you understand or don't understand? And what did they say about angle P?
Half of
Oh, angle P is what? Half of
Q.
angle Q. That means if I were to use units to represent, which one is 1 unit? Who is 2 units?
Q.
Q, very good. 1 unit is P. So 3 units is 180. 1 unit is P. 2 units is Q. So 3 units is 180. Understand or don't understand? Very good. Now, what do you have? What else do you have? Tell me.
1 unit is 60.
Very good. 1 unit is 60 degrees. Am I making sense or not making sense? You want to find P? Can you find P or you cannot find P? Can find P or cannot find P? P is how many units? 1 unit, right? So isn't this equals to 60 degrees? You get what I'm trying to say? Because P is my 1 unit. Am I making sense or not making sense? Then my Q. Very good. So 60 times 2 first. Agree or disagree? Answer me. Agree or disagree? Very good. So I want to find angle W, correct or not? What is angle W? Angle W, is it vertically opposite? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good. So therefore, angle W is also equals to 120 degrees. And what do you say? You say vertically opposite what? Angle. And that's the reason why your answer for this question has to be 120. Your below is not drawn to scale. Okay? It's not drawn to scale. What happens? A is what of B? Very good. So angle A is trice of B. So we're going to draw 3 units for angle A. Am I making sense? Angle B is how many units? 1 unit. Very good. Angle A is 25 degrees more than angle C. What does that mean to you? Angle A is 25 degrees more than angle C. That means angle C is not angle C is going to be smaller than A. Agree so far? And then we're going to say that this part over here, we know that this is 25. Agree or disagree? And then what is my total? Do you all know what's the total or not? Because this is in a circle. Do you all remember angles at a point? Very good, 360 degrees. Make sense or don't make sense? Now, I only have one issue over here, right? What is the issue that I have? I don't know what is angle C, correct or not? So what I'm going to do is very simple. Angle A, you all know is 3 units, right? How many of you agree that it's 3 units? Angle B, how many units? Yeah, but angle C, I have an issue. What is it? We don't know, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the 25 so that this becomes 3 units as well. Understand or don't understand? Because you see, you add 25 here, right? True. Angle C is just 25 away from being 3 units. Agree or disagree? So 3 units plus 1 unit plus 3 units is equals to 360. Remember, when you add 25, you must add 25 to the total as well. Right? So 7 units is actually equals to what? 385 degrees. Why I add? Because I want to make sure that C and A is the same. You understand? So when I add, so I'm just going to show you that I'm adding. You can see if I add, you see? Guys, can you all see if I add? What happens when I add this green color box? It becomes 3 units, right? But I must also add 25 over here. Do you understand or don't understand? Do you understand or don't understand? Very good. So what I want to do is I want to find my how many units? 1 unit. True or no true? Okay, we divide by 7, we get to 55 degrees. Make sense or don't make sense? Question says?
Find the
Value of the largest of the three. Which is the largest? Is it A, B, or C? C is the largest? No, C is not the largest. A is the largest. A is the largest. So they are basically telling you, can you find 3 units for me? Am I making sense or not making sense? Okay, so you want to do 55 times 3. Okay, when you do that, you get to an answer of 165 degrees. Simple? Okay, so yeah, that's how you would solve a question like this. When it comes to folding and unfolding, I always tell my students, make sure you write down the concept first. F-U-F, folding, unfolding. Am I making sense? Write down the concept first. And make sure you know that when it comes to folding, unfolding, you must always draw the dotted lines. Agree or disagree? Unfold it. If you don't unfold it, there's nothing you can do, okay? Remember to unfold it, can or not? You see, if I unfold it, what happens? This 90 degree comes to here, what? True?
Yeah.
This goes to where? Here. Agree or disagree? Maybe I color code this. You see, what goes to what? What goes to what? Let me just show it to you. This green color goes to this green color. True? The black goes to the black. And then the 27 goes where? The 27 comes down to here. Agree or disagree? Do you understand or don't understand?
Understand. So basically,
So how do I find angle X?
27 plus 25, 90
And-
minus 27 into 2. 90 minus 27.
Okay, but because they are seated on the straight line, right?
What?
Yes, I prefer that. All right, 180 degrees minus away 27 degrees minus away 27 degrees, and that's about it. Do you understand or don't understand? Okay, so that's the reason why your answer for this question has to be 126 degrees. Understand or don't understand? This is what we call angles on a straight line. Agree or disagree?
Oh yeah,
126.
A equals to B is equals to C
Separate of E equals to C equals to D equals to E. Can you see the purple color? Can you see the purple color? Yes or no? All right. Then the second one says P is equals to Q. Can you see that? It's equals to R is equals to S is equals to T. Make sense or don't make sense? Okay, one more time. A, the purple color, they are all equals to one another. They are all the same, basically. Can you understand or don't understand? Then what about the green color? The green color, they are all also the same. But did you realize that when the total is 360? Very good. The total is 360 because it's one big circle. Am I making sense? It's all around the world. Am I making sense or not making sense? And what did the question say? The question says that given that the sum of A, a B, a C, D, E is how many times? 11 times. Again, A, B, C, D, E is equals to 11 units. Am I making sense? Okay, all right. The sum of, can you all see that or not? What did they say? P, Q, R, S, and T, right? Are you understanding or no? P, Q, R, S, T is how many units? 1 unit. Agree or disagree?
Yes.
What does this tell you? If
12
A, very good. 12 units is how much? Why is it 12 units is 360?
Because 11 units plus 1 unit.
1 unit is how much? 360 divided by 12. Agree or disagree? We get to 30. Correct or not? What is the question asking you to find? A and P. Where is A? A is this just one over here, right? This one over here, right? So you find how many units first? Did you know that A, 11 units, and then after that, 11 units first, huh?
5.
Very good. Okay, so we get 330. Oh, wow. So the purple color is 330. And the purple color, they are all the same. True? So we can find angle A first, right? Angle A is basically just 330 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sense or don't make sense? Okay, 330 divided by 5. Make sense? Very good, 66. Okay, so that part is A is 66.
Hi
Everybody
everyone,
disagree.
if you
66. Now,
like
for
this
P,
video,
it
you
will
can
still
click
be the
right
same thing,
here
right?
for a
P
similar
is how many
video,
units?
or you
P
can
is
view
just
our
on its
playlist
own, right?
here.
Can you all see that? But did you realize that P, Q, R, S, T, they are all the same? So 1 unit is how much? 30, right? So how do you divide by how many?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5 again. And what do you get? You get to an answer of 6. And therefore, this is your answer for this question.
Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.